Avenida de Carlos da Maia,嘉路士米耶马路。Oh, Carlos da Maia, slices of Macau. Coming into type of village, cars up on the hill. Oh, Carlos da Maia, come on and check out Carlos da Maia. Oh yeah, Carlos da Maia, walking down, oh Carlos da Maia, walking on down into type of village, showing off slices of Macau. Oh, Carlos da Maia, come on and check out Carlos da Maia. Oh yeah, Carlos da Maia, walking down, oh Carlos da Maia.
So we're in a contest. Let's see what happens here. Pretty cool. So we have a public event next to the Carmel Church today. Lucifonia is not too far away, so we're going to be walking all the way down this particular street here, but we're going to start at the church. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this is going to be the starting spot. Before we go up, we're going to go down Carmel Street into kind of, let's just walk down this way. So we're kind of up on a hill. There's that's an incline, overlooks, this is type of Grande, I believe. It's like one of the hilltops, overlooks the airport. There's hiking trails up there. This overlooks the Lucifonia, which is going on today. Type of museum houses are here. Cotai Strip, this used to be ocean, and then they reclaimed the land and built the strip of casinos, Cotai. So that's all on that side. There's the ecological zone there. And then this is going to be where we're going to be starting, and we're going to kind of go down Carmel, and we're going to kind of see what it's all about. So that's Carmel Church. There's the Rochelle. So they might be having more events here. Let's just kind of get out of the sun a little bit. They move this way. These nice pillars everywhere. These are the Carmel stairs. Then we're gonna just kind of go down this way. We're gonna be going down all the way down this street. And you can see Largo de Carmel, and you can also see Avenida de Carlos de Maia, which is going to be our target. That's named after a governor. So there we go. Let's kind of stay in the shade a little bit. Got this nice beautiful church right here, Carmel. This is kind of interesting. You got like kind of like urban farming. And actually I saw this one for rent once. It was actually available to rent and the prices were pretty good. In the distance you can see the Taipa Centro, kind of like the downtown of the area. Carmel Church. Okay, so we're gonna get into a lot more people again. This is the church here. Here's our street sign, so you can capture. I love capturing the signs because one, the signs are so beautiful. And I can also use them as in my thumbnails. So that's actually the backside of the church, I guess, where the priest must stay. And then this, I think, is part of the school. Yeah, here it is, Escola de Sao Paulo, Dom João Paulino. Sorry, John Paul. So, School of John Paul. Oh, we got some more. These are more like apartments. Might be interesting. These giant rocks as well. Okay. This is kind of nice. These beautiful trees as well. Got some nice colonial houses. These beautiful, beautiful trees are protected. So you can see these numbers like 550. And then you can actually scan the QR code. It does look nice. Yeah, this is kind of a funny street because actually when you catch it here, it looks so beautiful with the colors. And then down there, of course, it's nice too. And then this one doesn't really capture, it looks like the fence is kind of old. I guess if they had some beauty to it, it might look really nice. Maybe some trees or plants, or, I don't know, something. Anyways, there's the post office in green. They're restoring that. Not restoring it, they're doing something. And I think our street turns into another street in a moment. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go into that green building over there. And then we can have some nice views from that direction as well. Sometimes cars can go down here, but right now they're blocking it because of the Lusophonia. Let's just kind of capture it like that, Lusophonia entrance. See, I usually can drive and park, but they don't want people driving there today. Okay. Let me just kind of see. Let's walk up into this little space. So yeah, Travessa do Carmo. And you can kind of see. So we're gonna go on down. Yeah, these nice views, right? That's a coffee shop right there with a rooftop, so people can go up there. It's a little bit hot at the moment to go up there, but you have these nice places to sit. And actually, if you're here, you can feel this really nice breeze. So it's kind of a breezy area in this area. There's the coffee shop. There's our Target Street. Calzada do Quartel, there's a sign. The other street that's on the other side of this coffee shop is quite nice. We might actually walk down there as well. So we're gonna walk down this way. Oops, sorry. Oops. Now we're down in this space. It's a really nice walkway. Okay, let's kind of continue going down. And then down here we have more kind of tourist stuff again. kind of walk down this way. This is the other side of the same one. So we basically came down the hill, and then that one that we can see the rooftop right up there. They actually have another space here where these three all share. So quite nice. Gotta wait for the car here, the truck. Let's try to go across. So that was our target street all the way up. And then there's actually more down this way that we're gonna walk to as well. Just try to capture this street. Artwork. So, pretty cool. Okay. You can see that better. Let's keep on going down this way. There's more down here. This will add more context to everything as well. And this just leads right into the type of village. So we started up on the hill, and then that street kind of connects everything. So the rooftop up there, you can see some people up atop there. Okay, there you go. Hello. Yeah, lots of people here today. So let's see if we can sneak across here. So there we go. So now we're in Tepa Village. It goes all the way down, and then that goes all the way up. And then this just kind of goes right into the crowd, so we're just going to come to an end right about here. So I hope you like that. You can kind of see the context of how that street fits into all the other ones as well. And then we can get lost into the crowds. More under video.